Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Cryptowolf and today we have some very important crypto news and information that you should know. If you watched my previous video, if you're a crypto investor or a trader, watch this closely. So in my previous video you could see the Binance chain bridge suffered a 566 million hack, and in this video we covered everything you should know. If you want to know the links of the articles, go back into the description of my video and everything is dropped right here. Join our free Telegram channel right here. Crypto news, everything is for free. Join it. I will keep you posted right there and we will grow the crypto community and get successful together in the crypto world. But today we have an update for Binance because they report they are burning 2 million BNB after the recent BNB chain hack. So this is really good. I really like BNB, the project itself, and this is one of the projects. If we go into a deeper bear market, I will start accumulating BNB again, just as I did in 2020, because BNB, in my opinion, is a very good token and has very good tokenomics, and there's a lot of utility for the BNB token itself. And the owner of the BNB, Binance, we all know him. Yes, we are talking about the man himself. Look at him. He is the man in crypto. No, I'm just joking, man. But I just wanted to let you know this because it's something very important to know. Because after the hack, a lot of people were worried. So we are going to cover this, but we're also going to cover some very positive news for Crypto.com. They also had some bad news. They always change their requirements for the cards, the Visa cards. A lot of people are complaining. The community does not like how they handle the community itself. So I'm going to spread out some positive news for Crypto.com. Also share this with your friends and family, and let's get into it right away. So as we can see right here, after the hack, if you didn't check this, please go check it out in the previous video. But as you can see, Binance is the world's leading crypto exchange, and they announced it end of the 21st stage of burning BNB. The exchange ecosystem native cryptocurrency, thus Binance reported that 2 million BNB worth 550 million were burned. So you could see the hack was 565 million and they are burning 550 million. So that's very good. This is an all-time record in monetary terms. However, the number of burned BNB is not the largest in the history of the ecosystem, as previously Binance has repeatedly burned more than 3 million BNB. Very bullish, very good. I really like that they are doing it this way instead of keeping the chain halted or reversing transactions. So it's a very good initiative in my opinion. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of BNB burning those tokens? Is this the right thing to approach after the hack, or should they do something else? Let me know your opinion in the comments so we can all learn from it. So as you can see, despite the severity of what happened, the ecosystem was able to quickly deal with the aftermath and restart the blockchain. A moral hard fork was then activated on the network in order to fix the software, as well to further induce a vote to freeze the stolen funds at the hacker's address on the BNB network and auto burn them. So yeah, that's how it went. Very good from the BNB what they did. Let me know if you think the same or what are your opinions. Now, from Crypto.com, they are investing 145 million in France as the base for their European operations. Also, Binance is already placed in France. They also have some headquarters right there. So they are expanding with, they are like joining Binance, as you can see right here, as major cryptocurrency exchange entering France. So we now have Binance and Crypto.com in the France. Then we see they received their regulatory approval in France the last month to offer services as registered digital asset service provider. And the Singapore-based exchange said it will focus on compliance, business development, and product with local hires. So it is also offering jobs for the people in France who are interested in cryptocurrency. Very good. It also has in principle approval from Singapore to provide digital asset services in the city-state and provisional approval of Dubai's crypto license. So that's something very good. Also some very good bullish news for Crypto.com and for crypto overall. So I would say stay tuned to the channel and I hope to see into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.